القرى ولتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah Sayyidina Muhammad wa alihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Today inshallah we'll talk about Surah Al-Humazah. Pertains to backbiters, slandering. And that's something that we see every day. And reason for this. What are the problems? What are the root causes of backbiting and slandering? This surah talks about people who accumulate wealth. They think that they are going to stay forever with the wealth, or wealth is going to stay with them forever, or they are going to live here forever. None of this is true. You do not have any guarantee that you will survive for next moment. You cannot have, you don't, and you know for sure you cannot take anything with you. Then why there is a greed to accumulate wealth? Why do you not spend it? If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to you, why not spend it? And that what you spend is really yours, because that is what is going to come back to you in the hereafter. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you the opportunity. Take this opportunity and send it forth for the next life hereafter. Over there, the currency is the currency of Nek Amal, the Amal al-Salihin. So this is the good deeds are the ones that is going to reach you. The ajr is the only currency in this time, and it's a time for us to be able to take it and spend it ahead. And if you don't spend it, you lost the opportunity. What is going to happen? You may accumulate, you may maybe have billionaires, trillionaires, all of this, none of them that they were able to take it in the grave. And it will be obviously waste of money if we put that in the grave. And some people, they try to do it like pharaohs. They try to put their wealth along with them in the tomb. And of course, there were a lot of looters who entered inside and looted, of course, and there are more people who are going after it. So nothing is benefiting them. What is the problem with wealth? And how is it connected to slandering? Surah is talking about the slandering, backbiting, and how is that connected with wealth? People, why in the first place accumulate wealth? They want to be better than others, richer, live a different lifestyle. And just to get the wealth itself, forget about accumulating wealth. First, to get the wealth with the wrong intention, with the wrong approach, they would do everything they can, possibly doing haram way, or slandering someone, backbiting someone, doing all kind of practices that are against Islam, against humanity, against the ethics. They will do everything to accumulate the wealth in a haram way. And this wealth, they will not spend in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because they earned it in a haram way. And Allah will not accept it. This question is about Allah will not accept their wealth in His path, which is not in the right way, has not been earned in the right way. So its acceptance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not there, because it's earned in a haram way. So about the wealth, there are two questions: how did you earn and how do you spend? So if we really are intending to send something forward for the hereafter, then we want to make sure that we earn it in a right way, in a halal way. And even if we earn it in the right way, what's next? You need to pay zakat, sadaqah on this wealth. There has to be a good balance of wealth in the society. If you don't have the balance of wealth in the society, what could happen? Wealth can test both people, those who have it, those who do not have it. Those who have it they want to earn this wealth in a wrongful way and show and boast themselves that how rich they are by their words, by their actions, by their lifestyle. And those who do not have it also put to test. They start to slander, backbite of those who have the money, and they do not, for those who do not have. This will create the social imbalance that will create this hatred in the hearts for both those who have it and those who do not have it. Cause is the will that has caused them to hate each other. And because of this hatred, the society will create such kind of imbalance in the society that will lead to other crimes, stealing and doing all kind of other activities. That is what is going to lead in the society in widespread. You ask someone, those who are stealing, they say this is the only way I can survive. That's what they believe in, which is wrong way. What you believe, that's how it is going to happen. Allah is the way the bondsman thinks he is. If he thinks that Allah is going to provide me only by stealing, that's be it. This is how Allah is going to let you do it. It's not that Allah wants you to do it. Allah will allow you to do it because this is you chose. That's what you thought about Allah, that Allah is not going to give you in a halal way, then that's what you got. It's not what Allah is giving you in a haram way. This is what you're earning. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to correct our amal, our intentions, and especially in terms of this wealth. Make sure to give the wealth, not to keep it. And of course, there's many hadiths about spending the wealth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guarantees that it will be increased. What you spend in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will definitely increase in this world and hereafter. There's no question about it. This is complete, is a 100%, 1000% guarantee from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Your wealth will increase. The time when you think your risk is constrained, you're not getting enough to provide to your family, you feel that your bills are not being paid, you feel that how do I meet the ends by the next month or next day, spend in the path of Allah. Very simple. What you have, spend from this. It's not about the money that how much you spend, what portion do you spend? You have $10 and if you spend 10 cents from it, it's probably it's more heavier in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala than someone who has $1 million and spends even $1,000. Of course, if you do mathematical calculation, it is still small. It is not about mathematical calculation. It is about your intention, how much you are giving from what you have. So this is a solution, this is the key to our prosperity in this world and hereafter, to spend in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every time in the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions about salah, then comes zakat and sadaqah, all of this. Spending in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is right after salah. Why? Because in salah, we're giving the rights of Allah. In zakah, we're giving the rights of people. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to practice on it and accept our amal. Subhanakallah bihamdika nastaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ويل لكل همزة لمزة الذي جمع مالا وعدده يحسب أن ماله أخلده كلا لينبذن في الحطمة وما أدراك ما الحطمة نار الله الموقدة التي تطلع على الأفئدة إنها عليهم مؤصدة في عمد ممددة.
ومن يطع الله والرسول فأولئك مع الذين أنعم الله والصديقين والشهداء والصالحين وحسن